Today na total shutdown for Lagos, Peller and Jarvis wedding. Look at the amount of celebrities and luxurious cars that is already trooping in for this wedding. It's going to be crazy today. Peller and Jarvis, they are shutting down Lagos. The amount of celebrities that has been turning up with their expensive and luxurious cars. You see the amount of cars where they turn up for this wedding is going to be crazy. Gege has been there and a whole lot of Nigerian celebrities, musicians, artists, and also influencers that have turned up massively. I'll be sharing with you full highlight of how the whole thing has been going down.
Jesus. This is too much. This is too much. You don't finish show.
You don't finish show.
You don't finish show.
Oh, this one's not spoiler.
On my way to Peller and Jarvis 2026 on my debit sheet. You don't understand? On some G-Wagon.
Please open up for you. Please open up for you.
Don't worry, you go cry.
Ew! Baba Professor! Professor! Hey, Baba come.
IG.
Oh, go like
IG.
Keep it up, bro. We love.
Can you repeat your love in Nigeria?
My love for Nigeria, the people first, always. The people here have been incredible, for real. The hospitality has been great.
And the food is amazing.
Love to eat.
Which of the Nigerian food is your favorite?
My
favorite food, I like the agusi with chicken, and I like my pounded yams. Thank you so much.
For you again.
Can you show outfit? Who is the designer now?
I'm from Delta State.
What about your shade? Where is it from?
Debit.
Very
After
fine.
the debate, I'm taking
Your glasses, where is it from?
Debit.
You look up.
Don't worry. This wedding, in the next 30 years, fella will be, I think, 50 something. The wife too. If you know how grown their kids are going to be, you there be recording. You guys be recording. Don't go and mad.
Peller, what with?
Eh?
Peller.
Sorry. Okay, chin up that way. Yeah, facial reaction. Yeah, smile.
Pull in your line.
Smile, lovely. Close your eyes. Yeah,